Hello driving intelligence community. This is a follow-up to my video on rubber water pump impellers for your boat. In that video I didn't indicate how often you should change these, and actually that's kind of an open-ended question. You need to go look at the manufacturer's recommended changes, or your boat manufacturer, the water pump impeller. I was planning on changing mine every 5 years, but it turns out that based on the outcome of this one, I need to change it more often, so I'm probably going to go every 2 to 3 years. So check with your manufacturer and determine what your frequency should be. A lot of it also depends on the conditions that you use your boat in. If you're in a lot of shallow water with a lot of silty, sandy medium, you're probably going to chew this up like sandpaper, and you'll need to change it more often. It's probably a good idea just to pull it every year to make sure that you're not seeing any degradation or performance issues with the pump and with the impeller. The other thing I'm going to do next time I have to change mine is go with a stainless steel housing. The plastic housing is not robust enough to me. It actually melts as this spins around inside the casing, even when there's water inside there. They make a stainless steel option for the casing. So I want to get rid of the plastic and use a stainless steel. That'll get rid of corrosion and melting issues. So maybe that option exists for you as well. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and please subscribe and like this video if you like the content.